Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Perfect Flicks. So today is a really special day for Perfect Flicks since it's been 3 years since we started our journey, and thanks to each and every one of you who have been supporting me and subscribing to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, let me tell you I do a lot of vlogs on food, fashion, living and lifestyle. So please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon. And today we are at a really special place who are also celebrating their birthday. It's their 7th year anniversary. So let's go check it out. So guys, we have arrived at the Hilton Garden in Trivandrum. So as we know, Hilton is always famous for its excellent buffets. They always have weekend buffets and dinner buffet on Saturday and brunch buffet on Sundays. So that's what I've come to explore today. We are gonna explore their Christmas brunch, and it's like really amazing how they have a lavish spread of dishes and also chef specials, and never do they compromise on quality or even quantity. So that's the best thing I like about Hilton. So yeah, let's go have a lavish experience of their lunch buffet today. So guys, here we are at the salad counter, and as you can see we have an exquisite spread of salads. We also have chicken, ham, turkey, sushi and I don't know what not. They have also introduced this concept of microgreens. So that is a really new concept that I am seeing in Trivandrum. So they have their microgreens and real flowers used in the salad section. So you could see it for yourself how delicious the entire spread looks. So let's go check it out one by one what we have over here. Pani puri and it is spicy. So guys, here we have the live counter which boasts of pastas, pizzas and dosas, and not just the normal pizza and dosa. We can put pizza and dosa together because that's what they have done, and we have our exquisite pizza dosa over here that I'm about to try out soon, and I just can't wait for it. And also they have varieties of dim sums available here right from the oven. They are just making it and just serving it grilled hot to you. So that's what's the specialty here, that there's no option of cold food. They always serve really fresh and made to order food to the customers. So that's what's the exciting part over here. Okay, that's amazing. What do we have over here?
We have like pasta counter.
Okay, so this is the red sauce.
This is the red sauce, and we have the homemade tagliatelle pasta.
Okay.
Some beetroot flavor. We have one with the spinach flavor.
Okay.
We only have the penne and spaghetti. You can order with the red sauce and white sauce. And so you can order with some pesto. Basil comes with
Pesto.
Pesto
Okay, that's
come with the
amazing.
basil.
Okay, so could I just have a penne pasta in white sauce with some veggies and also some salad on the side?
Salad.
Yeah.
Of course, salad.
Yeah. Thank you. tastes just amazing, guys. The sauce is just about right. It's not that thick, it's not that thin. It's just too amazing and perfect. So guys, here we have the Asian counter where we have the chili fried rice, and then we have noodles, Asian greens, and also Thai seafood red curry and chili basil beef. So I guess this is like really amazing. You can have a bit of Asian food as well. So guys, we also have the Western counter over here where we have Middle Eastern eggplant with Greek yogurt sauce. That just sounds yum. That looks like, you know, stuffed bharwa vegan sort of thing, and it looks really delicious. And we have the roasted vegetable pithi veer, and also semolina and spinach cakes with tomato, and grilled pepper fish with tomato, and roasted duck with caramelized fennel and onions. That sounds so delicious. I don't think I've ever heard such dishes earlier in Trivandrum in any other buffet, so I'm really excited to try these. So guys, here I am at the desserts and mocktails section. So we have a wide variety of desserts over here. Like we have a lot of cakes and pastries, chocolate nutty balls and sachet pastry, and also plum cake that is for Christmas special. And also we have, this is the red velvet cake that we have over here, and it is a macaron gâteaux. So actually all these layers are made of macarons. And also we have the New York cheesecake and the berry financier, and we have amazing set of Indian desserts, guys. I've never seen this before. We have gaja, lacha and balusa, and also we have gulab jamun, and also the ice creams are made to order. So we have a wide variety of ice creams available, and the waiters and staffs are so helpful over here that anything you ask for, they make it available to you. It's completely made to order, and that's the exquisite a good part about Hilton Garden Inn.
This is our tandoori platter. So we have Rajasthani.
It's Rajasthani. Yes. Wow. I didn't know we have Rajasthani dishes as well. Thank you.
This is your mocktail, the peanut curry colada.
Thank you.
Enjoy it all.
This looks amazing. It has this amazing coconut taste, guys, and it also has these curry leaves on top, which makes it look really authentic and gives a like Narden touch to it. And it tastes just really amazing, and it's from the mocktail bar of the Garden Grill restaurant.
Okay, this is on beef. It's a medium well done, and for chicken, it's a well done omelette and crab also.
This is crab?
Yes, ma'am.
This looks really delicious, guys. So, bon appetit. Oh man, guys, this is just so delicious. It's from the barbecue counter of the Garden Grill restaurant, and it's really amazing. We have a little bit of crab and chicken and beef, that is the delicacies that is there on the platter, with some fruits on the side and also potato veggies.
Next time I'm looking for the sushi.
Oh, that's nice. We're having like multiple cuisines, huh? Oh, this looks lovely.
Okay. shall I introducing all that?
Yeah.
It will be puttu maki.
Okay.
So will be inside will be smoked salmon.
Uh-huh.
So, and next one is the avocado maki.
Okay.
So avocado with some vegetables also.
Oh, that's just
That's
sounds
enjoy that
delicious.
area.
Thank you. So guys, we have two amazing sets of sushi over here, and as I said, it's multi-cuisine. So I started off with momos and now I've ended up with sushi. So yeah, it's like a really good appetizing meal because I've had this variety of starters. I've not had it anywhere else in Trivandrum. So yeah, other than Hilton Garden Inn. So yeah, bon appetit. So guys, that's all for today. We had an exquisite brunch at Hilton Garden Inn. So I wish you all would visit here and see it for yourself. And it's like really appetizing and it's an exquisite meal that you can get to have here. Also, they have a lot of New Year offers to offer y'all with a staycation, as well as they have a New Year Eve gala dinner along with the next day brunch and lunch as well. So you better check out their offers at their Instagram page. So that's all for today guys, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and stay healthy and eat awesome food. Thank you.